Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be planning in my meal planner. It is for the week of September 9th through the 15th. My meal planner is called Cooking 101, and I'm going to be using sticker books from E-Star Case. These are these little tiny sticker books with clear stickers in them. And this one has like fall and summer in it. So I just wanted to do that. So I'm going to use some of these beautiful trees and kind of sceneries and put it in my planner and enjoy it. So as always, we are going to be doing two spreads. This one and my wellness. So if this is your first time joining me, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, welcome back. I'm so happy you're spending more time with me. So first and foremost, I'm adding a little bit of cities into this spread, and as you can see, the tips of the trees are already yellow in here. Signifies kind of the summer turning into fall. And I'm adding a little cafe, so I just want like a really cozy, cute vibe, so that's what I'm doing. I am going to be adding a little bit of like coffee and stuff. This is off of a tape. It is not kiss cut, so you have to cut it yourself, but it is truly lovely. So I am really enjoying using these pad tapes. I'm gonna use this caramel macchiato. That is my favorite coffee, you guys. So there we go. Okay. So I'm just gonna add a couple more elements to fill this in, not too many. And yeah, I pre-cut all of these so it will be faster and easier. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. What do you guys think so far? I really love the look of this. It's beautiful. And like I said, for a meal plan, I usually don't go too crazy. My catch-all is the one that I'm kind of crazy in. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. So for Monday for breakfast, I made a broccoli quiche over the weekend, so that's what it's going to be. For lunch, I do like a little protein box that I make. So cottage cheese, some crackers, some lunch meat, usually like oven roasted turkey or something. And then like sweet bell peppers or something like that. So very balanced for the most part. And I really do like eating it. So for dinner on Monday, we're going to do salmon over rice, probably with a little bit of a cilantro crema, which I really like. So I'm going to do on Tuesday 2 hard-boiled eggs with some salmon on bagel. Probably like half a bagel and a little bit of salmon. And then salad for lunch, usually like a chef salad or something like that. I make it my own. I buy the kits and then I add the different stuff to make it the way I want it. Then on Tuesday, we're going to go ahead and make chicken with dumplings. And then again, 2 hard-boiled eggs because that is simply the easiest way to go for breakfast for me. And then I'll have the others, half of the bagel with some salmon on that day as well. I probably will have leftovers for lunch because chicken and dumplings is usually a bigger meal. So then I could just go ahead and do that for lunch. And then steak on a salad, like a grilled steak chopped on top of a salad will be for dinner. Thursday breakfast will be very the same. So 2 hard-boiled eggs, maybe a little bit of cottage cheese to up the ante on protein. Then for lunch, I'm not sure what I should do. How about we do leftovers again? And then rice wrap. Like with the lettuce wraps, those what I'm talking about. And then snacks and a rice bowl. And then Friday, cottage cheese. Let's see, what should I do? What's some fruit? That'll be the easiest. Like sliced up apple or something. And then maybe pancakes on Saturday because that is usually really good with some fruit and preserves. And then skillet with sunny side up eggs. So I'll do like a full veggie skillet. And then for dinner, so Saturday, we rarely eat lunch. Same thing on Sunday. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep this as it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and make pepper stew with like sausage pieces. That is really, really good. It's actually called lecho, which I love. So it's really, really, really awesome. I'm just looking into my little cheat sheet where I make all of the ideas for my dinners in there in case I'm stuck. And then we can make turkey tenderloin on Sunday. And then let's move on to my second planner. This one is called Celestial Elegance. And today I'm going to do something different. So I'm going to use the Posh Academy. And I'm going to go ahead and create a back to school spread in here. I don't go to school and I don't have kiddos, but it's kind of fun to see what you can make with this. So that's what I'm doing. It's not quite fall yet, so hence I am doing it that way. Okay, so back to school. These are a little harder to pick up because they are on a clear backing, but not too bad. I thought it's going to be much, much worse. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of spread them out accordingly. And I'm trying to mix the colors so it's not the same. Okay, almost there. Okay, I think, what am I missing? What color am I missing? I don't think I'm missing any. Let's fix this O though. It's gonna bug me. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do is that back to school. Let's add green. I am missing green. Okay. So back to school is spelled out. I'm gonna make some dots with yellow and then pink. So the top ones that are spread apart, those are for my meals so I can track exactly what I ate. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a snack. Or like any extra if I have a matcha drink or something like that in addition to my meals. That's what it's for. And this pink is way too dark, but it was too late to back out. So it is what it is. Oh, of course. And I made 5 on that one day. So let's go ahead and remove that. And then I'm going to go ahead and go into this super cute, colorful rainbow thing here. And we're going to start adding those things. I want this pencil kind of washi strip right in here. So I'm going to take it and cut it really quickly. And then these 3 that are left over, I'm going to actually use them. I don't want to just throw them out. So what we're gonna do is cut them individually and then just spread them out. It's like 3 or 4 pencils. We're gonna add that little teacher magic in there. Let's see. Welcome to our classroom. Just little cutesy stuff. Like I said, I don't have kids or anything like that, but I thought that would be a fun spread in my meal planner or wellness planner, I should say. So I'm going to cut these apart and kind of start putting them all over. I want stuff in between there too. So let's take a look. Look how cute these are. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I'm just adding them like at different angles to make them look kind of fun. And I see that there is ones already pre-made in the book as well, so that's making it kind of easy. But yeah, I'm gonna add all of these school supplies to the bottom right here. And then I'm just grabbing more pencils to kind of decorate that whole line. Let me know what you think, because it is quite different. And I know it is, but I also think it's a lot of fun. Okay, I'm gonna add these 3 teachers right there. Awesome. Okay. So a fun fact about me, I have never been in a school from start to finish, as far as like elementary, high school, or even college and middle school, because I moved so much, especially from Europe here. So that was an interesting experience. Did you guys move a lot, or did you mostly stay in the same town and were able to continue school with your friends? I'm curious, let me know. So the bottom part, what I track is medicine, mood, sleep, and steps. And that is it. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you guys had fun. Let me know, and I'll see you soon for another blend with me. Bye.